Right, let's take a look at section 14.1, where we look at how to form these verbs in the, this is the same thing we've seen, the active, present, first aorist, as well as deponent, present, and first aorist participles. So let's make sure we know how to put various kinds of verbs into these forms. Duff asks us in 14.1 to put grapho into the aorist singular. So if we're going to think about the aorist of grapho, it's going to be with an epsilon augment, graph, and then when we add a sigma to the phi, we're going to get the psi here. So it'll be a grapson in the indicative aorist. But now if we want to make a participle, we're not going to have the augment. So we'll just go back to grap. And then the ending for the aorist active participle is alpha, sigma. So we get grapsas. With poieo, Duff asks us to turn it into a present plural participle. So we get the regular present stem. We can just go directly to the participle here without sort of going through the aorist. So we get the stem poi e, but the ending is going to be on for the singular form. So poion. And the epsilon will just get absorbed into the omega. But now when we put it in the plural, we're going to get this ontes ending, and with the epsilon of the stem, we're going to get poi, and then we could even do this and say poiun, and then we'll get the rest of the word, kind of the regular ending, poiun tes. And again, the omicron upsilon here in the ending is because of the epsilon of the stem. The next one is erkomai, and that is in the present singular, Duff says. So again, we get the regular stem. Er. But now the ending, we're going to get the deponent ending, and the deponent present tense ending for a participle is erkomenos. And that's it. Duff asked for the singular, so we can leave it in the singular. Phileo, he asks for the aorist plural. So if we think about the aorist, we're going to get phil. And here we're going to get an eta sigma omicron nu because this epsilon becomes an eta in front of the sigma. So now if we take the aorist stem, we drop the epsilon because participles don't get augments. So we get fil a make sure I do this right. Filesas. But then we're going to put it in the plural. So in the plural, I need to move my pad here. In the plural, we're going to get fil a santes. So this will be the nominative masculine plural of the present participle of phileo. Now, logizomai is a little bit difficult because he wants it in the aorist. And when we turn this into the aorist, the zeta is going to combine with the sigma, and actually the sigma is just going to completely take it over. So the aorist stem is going to be, the aorist of logizomai is going to be elogi sa main. And then if we make a participle now, we're going to get lo gi sa So there you go. And we just want singular, so that's fine. Proseukomai, I pray, is going to, he wants the present plural. So we get proseukomenos, because this is the deponent ending. And then if we're going to put that in the plural, we're going to get proseu ko me noi. And that's it. That's how we form the participles of some of the verbs that we know already. I'll be back soon to take you through the complete declension of the various participles.